This project work reporting system is designed to streamline the process of submitting and managing project work reports. In Tutorial 4, the focus is on implementing a user login feature, which is crucial for ensuring secure access to the system. This tutorial emphasizes the importance of user authentication, allowing only authorized individuals to submit and view project reports. Key components covered include creating a login form, validating user credentials against a database, and establishing session management to maintain user status. Additionally, the tutorial discusses best practices for handling passwords, such as hashing and salting to enhance security. It also highlights the importance of user feedback through error messages and successful login notifications. By the end of this tutorial, users will have a functional login system that sets the foundation for further development of the reporting system, ensuring a secure and organized environment for project submissions.